Welcome to our complete, step-by-step guide on how to write content using AI in just a few minutes. In today's fast-paced world, content creation is more important than ever, but finding the time to write quality content can be a challenge. That's where AI comes in. With the advancements in artificial intelligence, writing content has become quicker and easier than ever before. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of using AI to write content efficiently, ensuring that your message is clear, engaging, and professional. Step 1. Choosing the right AI tool. The first step is to choose the right AI tool for your needs. There are many AI-powered writing tools available, each with its own features and capabilities. Some popular options include OpenAI's GPT-3, Jarvis, and Shortly AI. Consider factors such as the type of content you want to create, your budget, and the level of customization you require. Step 2. Understanding your audience. Before you start writing, it's crucial to understand your audience. Who are they? What are their interests and pain points? By knowing your audience, you can tailor your content to resonate with them and provide value. AI can help analyze audience data and generate insights to inform your writing. Step 3. Generating content ideas. Next, it's time to generate content ideas. AI can assist with brainstorming by providing topic suggestions based on keyword inputs or analyzing trending topics in your industry. This can save you time and help you stay relevant to your audience. Step 4. Writing the content. Now comes the writing phase. Using AI, you can quickly generate the first draft of your content. Simply input your topic or keywords, and the AI will generate text based on the input. You can then refine the content by editing and adding your unique voice and style. Step 5. Editing and polishing. Editing and polishing your content is essential to ensure it's high quality and error-free. AI tools can help with grammar and spelling checks, as well as suggest improvements to sentence structure and readability. Step 6. Adding visuals. Visuals can enhance your content and make it more engaging. Use AI-powered tools to create images, infographics, or videos that complement your written content. This will help capture your audience's attention and communicate your message effectively. Step 7. Reviewing and publishing. Before publishing your content, take the time to review it thoroughly. Ensure that it meets your objectives and aligns with your brand voice. Once you're satisfied, publish your content across your chosen channels and track its performance. Writing content using AI can save you time and effort while ensuring that your content is high quality and resonates with your audience. By following these steps, you can streamline your content creation process and focus on delivering value to your audience. Embrace the power of AI and revolutionize your content creation today.